Our relationship with BSH started in January 2016, where we invited them to tender for the swaddling coat sorter, and they responded very quickly, and within a month, in fact, we'd started to agree what the sorter would look like and what we needed it to do. We placed the order with BSH in March. The sorter began to be built in July. They handed it over to Clipper September week 1. We spent a fortnight training and testing the sorter and went live September week 3. BSH did a sterling job actually, because as fast as they were building sections of the sorter, we were building a mezzanine floor above them. I think the obvious benefit of the sorter, especially in this industry, is the ability to guarantee next day delivery. Typically we'll handle 3,000 to 4,000 parcels a night on the sorter. It's capable of doing significantly more, and at peak, Black Friday for example, it'll do 20,000 to 25,000 parcels. Right from the outset, BSH were part of the team, and they were a great player in that team. From the original specification, which they contributed to and helped us refine, right through to the engineering works. And I must say, Stephen Pereton, the account manager, has made a huge contribution to what we've got here at Swaddling Coat.
The digital age is changing the rules of the game for distribution centers worldwide. Conventional sortation systems that still rely on fixed infrastructure are unable to adapt to the changing business needs. Next-era distribution demands next-era thinking to keep your operations ahead. Get ready to take on what's next. Meet Flexo, an AI-powered modular sortation system. A game changer for the distribution centers of today and tomorrow. A fleet of autonomous bots that uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms and can be deployed quickly in any distribution center with minimal infrastructure change. Flexo is designed to manage large volume of parcels with speed, safety, and precision. Intuitive in handling a variety of unique parcels, they remove errors and elevate your order accuracy and high throughput level. With a plug-and-play design, they can flex up and flex down to meet changing demand spikes, giving you a primed and reliable workforce to accelerate your business growth. Want more? You can simply pack, ship, and deploy them to newer facilities to meet growing opportunities and drive your business forward. We share more than just technology. In an age when change is the status quo and everyone is breaking grounds, we want you to break through. Gray-Orange Flexo. Strengthening your future today.
It was late 2015 where we identified the need for additional sortation capacity. So we went out to a bunch of suppliers that we work with and that we know, and a lot of them turned it down just simply because we were talking in November, December 2015 and we wanted it ready for September, October 2016. So less than 12 months lead time, and we hadn't even placed an order yet and hadn't even done a design. It was just initial conversations. So a lot of them said absolutely not, we can't meet those timescales, so we had to discount them from the tender. The BS Handling guys said, yeah, no problem, we can do it. So we thought, wow, okay, well, we need to definitely explore this with you guys, and we went through all of the detail with them, and from that initial conversation in November, a design process and order in March, they had the sorter live by Black Friday, 25th of November 2016. right from the start, they were very customer focused. So they took the time to understand from our point of view what we wanted from the solution. So we spent a lot of time designing it, and they were quite creative in the way that they worked out the solution. So we had some very key principles and requirements. So coming down from pack, the conveyors that are bringing parcels at the time were feeding into the original sorter, and we wanted to make sure that any parcel from any pack desk could go to either of the conveyors. So it wasn't a case of just installing a second sorter. They had to put in a solution that diverted parcels across each of the sorters based on a set of rules that we came up with and in our own warehouse management system. So we had a whole load of fun trying to find a way of diverting parcels, which are so varied in terms of size, and also some are boxes, some are bags, and the grip on the bags isn't as good, so you have to get something that really does work. In the design process, they were very clear and they painted a picture of what it would look like, so there were no surprises at the end. But as we went through, yes, things changed. We had things that we hadn't thought of that we wanted to add in, and the guys were very receptive to ideas that would make the overall solution better. You know, there's two ways you can play that. You can either be quite strict about what the original contract was for and what the original kind of spec was for, but things change, people come up with new ideas of doing things better. So through the process of both projects, as we came up with new ideas, we were able to discuss them with BS Handling and be collaborative on it. And they didn't make you feel uncomfortable about asking for changes. They didn't make you feel like this was going to be an opportunity for them to ratchet the price upon you. They took it in their stride and said, look, let's come up with something that works. Because ultimately, what the guys want is a happy customer at the end of the day. And that's what I like about them, is that when I talk to them, I can feel they genuinely care about, am I happy with the end result or not?
The world as we know it is changing, with various online and offline channels of sales and services like same-day delivery or store pickups. Customer preferences have evolved, forcing companies to reduce the order-to-delivery time. The sheer volume and mix of orders means that warehouses across the world are under increasing pressure to deliver in the shortest possible time. Here, all traditional rigid warehouse automation fails to meet business needs. A flexible automation is the only viable solution for warehouses to gain a competitive advantage. Meet the gray-orange Butler system, an intelligent goods-to-person order fulfillment system that consists of Butler, pick-put stations, mobile storage units or racks, and smart charging stations. The Butler robots come in two variants, and its primary job is to bring racks to the operator. Butler M, which has a payload capacity of 500 kilos, and the larger Butler XL with a payload capacity of 1600 kilos. The mobile storage units come in different sizes that can handle a variety of inventory, right from eaches, cases, sacks, pallets, to barrel drums. Even if inventory characteristics change with time, MSUs can be reconfigured to meet changing business needs. The multi-purpose pick and put station is an interface between the warehouse and the Butler system. It is designed to support custom business needs and enable high-speed, error-free pick-put and audit operations. This allows faster fulfillment of up to 48 orders simultaneously. All this is powered by a state-of-the-art decision science-driven software platform, the Gray Matter, that intelligently manages executors and seamlessly integrates with every WMS and ERP system, and also has a core operating system that supports multiple business workflows that comes with pre-configured intelligence for different industries. The latest addition to the Gray Orange product family is the PickPal Autonomous Picking System, a robotic picking system that works hand in hand with the Butler system and the operator and picks items directly from the storage units to boxes or bags that are ready for shipping. All this ensures faster and accurate order fulfillment, effective space utilization, growth enablement, efficient inventory management, and 24/7 operations. Making the future of warehouse automation a reality.